everyone, welcome back to Weekend Outing channel. I know it's been a long that I haven't posted anything on the YouTube, but trust me, the weather was not that great. Like, it was raining and windy. And last year, as you may all know, like, I tried vlogging for the Lough Ouler, and this year I'm starting the vlog with the same place, and I hope that this time I'll be able to reach and see the heart-shaped lake. We parked the car in the Glen Magnus car park area, and last time what we did is like we crossed this river and climbed up on that mountain, but this time we are just going to take some different route. Coming for a trekking, you really need a proper hiking shoes, and last year what we did is like we just came on the normal pairs, and it was horrible because all the water was going inside the shoe. Well, it's actually not that easy to go up, but if you just follow the path, the small trails, you will be able to reach up. I don't know how much you're able to appreciate in the camera, but we still have a long walk to go, and we have to reach India there, in between those two mountains. And the trek is not that easy, but definitely if you just keep following the foot trail, you will find your way then. While hiking, you can enjoy breathtaking landscape and stunning scenery. Well, I see few people coming down, so that's where we want to go now. Nearly there. It's beautiful. It's worth every step that we took towards it. We have finally reached the top. So that's the Lough Ouler that we were talking about. But if you want to see the proper heart shape, you can see from that top of the mountain over there. We are at the base. Thank you so much for watching this video. I highly recommend you to first get a good hiking shoes, because if you're going to come with the normal shoes, you're really going to have a lot of fall. So get a hiking shoes and do come in the summers, because the days are very long during that time. Thank you for watching this video once again, and I need to cut this video right now because I need to save the battery. So see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.